Easy tribe, it's Jfu. Okay, so today I'm going to quickly show you how we can turn sort of a boring static beat into something with more swing by using triplet timing. So let's take a listen to the beat that I've got set up here. Okay, so not bad. I still think that it could use more swing though. I often do hear a lot of garage these days that's done more of in a straight timing with a more robotic feel, and that sounds great in my opinion, and I like to do that myself. It's kind of more of a style choice, but these days I tend to use more swing in my beats because I just personally prefer the way it sounds. Okay, so I've duplicated all of my MIDI clips and I'm going to turn them into triplet grid here. I'm just shifting my MIDI notes over into the right spot. And what I'm doing is basically grouping them into these pockets. I'm pretty sure this rhythm goes by the blues shuffle rhythm. But essentially how it goes is that each note in the middle of the triplet is replaced by a rest. So what that means is we'll lay down a note on the one and we'll skip the second note. We'll hit the third and the fourth. We'll skip the fifth note and hit the sixth. And that's grouped with the one again. So because they're groups of two at all times, this will give us these pockets of that groove, that swing rhythm. If you slow it down, it kind of sounds like, 90s boom bap or just generally blues shuffle. But at 130 BPM or 140, it's a lot faster, so. So you might be able to hear, it basically sounds similar to the original rhythm that I had, but now, just a little bit more swinging now. So as I said before, so long as you stay within these pockets and these groups of two, you'll have no trouble getting interesting rhythms and always basically being in the right place. Your rhythm will always make sense, and you can deviate a little bit and give yourself some style. I'm all for it. I like to give myself some rolls in my kicks, and I'll probably do that in a second here. But for now, I'm just gonna screw around with giving these shuffles a little bit more flavor. There we go. All right, let's see what this sounds like. Now I'm just going to work on getting these hats to sound a little bit more balanced. Personally, like my hats to shuffle in a way that they kind of feed off of each other. All right, that sounds pretty good. I think these stacks are getting a little boring, so I'm going to try and offer up some variation here. Yeah, I like that. And maybe just a little line at the end here. Okay, so that sounds good. but we've got no bass. I think we definitely need some bass. Now I'm just going to play by ear, but one thing I can never stress enough, make sure your bass line is always in key with your chords, melodies, harmonies, any of the above. I'm just going to feed in some extra harmonics in here. Okay, so now it's sounding like a proper garage beat. And I think that'll pretty much cover it. In this lesson, we went over how we can turn a static garage beat into something with a little bit more flavor utilizing the triplet grid. Thanks everyone. Catch you next time. Easy.